preferences. This is when you pay back a creditor and give them more than they would have received in your bankruptcy case. It's particularly difficult and challenging if the person you have paid is, again, what we call insiders, family members, close friends, business associates. Again, this is completely, human nature. I see this somewhat frequently, and never do I see bad intent. What I see is someone's like, hey,
I'm going to pay them back so that they're not involved in this whole messy process.
While I understand that, that can cause a problem. So if I'm filing, John's filing bankruptcy and I owe my brother $10,000, and I'm like, you know what? I don't want him to be part of this. I'm going to go pay him $5,000 right now, and then we'll call that good. The problem, if I have done that within 1 year prior to filing bankruptcy, then the court can again go to my brother and say, guess what, John's brother, give us the $5,000 back, because we're going to distribute that out to the creditors because that was a preferential payment. Now, you want to avoid that? I have had clients who have said to me, hey, I have this one credit card. There's like $1,000 owed on it. I'm just going to pay them off so that, I don't have to worry about that one. One, it won't help credit. It's not going to change anything. The bankruptcy is going to cause problems, period, with the credit. So there's no reason to do that. But two, the court can actually say, hey, that's more than that credit card company would have received in your bankruptcy. So we're going to go get that money back. So it's important to know if it's just a run-of-the-mill creditor, it's a 90-day look-back period. You don't want to pay anybody back during that time frame. If it's a family member, friend, insider, they're going to look back a full year. And so if you've been making payments on a loan, those are types of things that need to be brought up to the bankruptcy attorney before the case is filed. The worst thing ever is when I go to a meeting of creditors and I hear about a preference or a transfer for the very first time.